Greetings for today to all the viewers and sir. Our group is going to present on Reliance Industry. First of all, I would like to give you an overview of Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry was founded by Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani on 8th May 1973 and currently it is owned by Mukesh Ambani. Reliance Industry is a conglomerate industry and the total revenue of Reliance Industry is 5.03 lakh crore INR. Its headquarters is situated in Mumbai and it is the most profitable company of India. There are many subsidiaries under Reliance Industry, which includes Reliance Retail, Network 18, Reliance Petroleum, Reliance Foundation, and Geo Platforms. Now I would like Shanpreet to take over from this.
Thank you, Akriti. Now we will start with geo analysis. Geo 1. Hello everyone. We are taking geo analysis as a crux of today's presentation. Reliance Jio Infocomm Limited introduces its subsidiary who launched 4G service, high-speed internet services in India. In the soft launch, Jio provided a Jio SIM card for 200 rupees only, which was with free data and voice valid for 3 months only. And then it became publicly available on 5th September 2016. Now, it's the largest mobile network in India and the third largest in the world. Now, my friend Jessica will explain further.
Thank you, Shanpreet. The two major things which Jio has done to brighten up the whole industry are transforming telecom. When it comes to the demand analysis, I have figured it out that Jio has transformed the whole telecom industry in such a way that what earlier was perceived as an industry with data as its secondary offering and voice calls being the first has now started to look as an industry in which data is the utmost priority, with voice calls as a smaller complement to what you are paying for the whole plan. Secondly, broadening the horizon. Jio, right from its inception, has focused on broadening the horizon of telecom customers from mere calling and net surfing to what we can call an entertainment-based offering with OTT subscriptions, music streaming, and a whole lot of Jio apps. And that is something which has gained a lot of appreciation over the years. Over to Shubham.
Thank you, Jessica. If we talk about pre-Jio launch, then I must say that in today's era where we are using unlimited internet, I remember that there was a time when the internet used to work like a snail walking on the ground, and even it was very costly. Before Jio entered the market, 1 GB of data in India cost approximately 225 rupees. If we talk about the ongoing market competition at that time, there was a cutthroat competition between the companies, as at that time there were more than 10 companies were ruling in the market. The competition was only in respect to voice and SMS. Companies were not focusing a lot on data, so it helped Jio to come with new technology in the market. And Jio never preferred 3G network, which made it very difficult for the existing service providers to upgrade their technology and compete with obsolete technology. And then Jio grabbed that opportunity. That's all from my side. Now I invite my friend Yagnesh to take over it.
Hello everybody, I am Yagnesh and I will throw some light on demand analysis or problems in pre-Jio era. So as the telecom companies were focused in generating revenue from mainly voice call and SMS services, they failed to realize the high-speed data demand in the market, which was foreseen by Jio. And as these companies have already invested heavily in obsolete, outdated, and traditional infrastructures, due to which there was slow and limited supply of data, which was very expensive. Due to Jio's launch, the digital revolution of India was successful and it was possible. Then came Aapka Apna Jio, and the problems in the market were solved by Jio's launch. Thank you. And over to Akriti for supply analysis of Jio.
Thank you, Yagnesh. As we have seen the problems, now I would like to highlight some of the solutions. So I would like to start with supply analysis market scenario post Jio launch. First is free voice call. Voice call were a major income generator before Jio, but became free when it launched its services. Jio claims that its network presently carries 250 crore minute a day of calls. Secondly, before the entry of Jio, data was very expensive and consumer had to shell a huge amount just for 1 GB data a month. After Jio launches offer free data to consumer at a very high speed. And even when it launches the chargeable data plans, the tariff was very slow. The tariff was very low. So people have started shifting from other telecom companies to Jio. Over to you, Shubham.
Thank you, Akruti. If we talk about the increased consumption of online content, India saw an exponential rise in the consumption of online content with the availability of free data. Jio claims that India's consumption went from 20 crore GB data to 120 crore GB in 6 months only. And one of the interesting facts is that people are spending there a lot of data on Jio app itself. Like Jio bring the revolution that now people can watch their favorite shows, news, movies, and cricket as well, anywhere, anytime with the help of Jio Cinema, Jio TV, and other Jio apps. If we talk about the proliferation of 4G smartphones, the market for 4G smartphones exploded after Jio launched its services, as everyone has access to the company's 4G network for free. So at that time, maximum people were using 3G handsets and featured phones only, but to avail the services provided by Jio, sales of 4G phones were started multiplying. Thank you. That's all from my side. Over to you, Shanpreet.
Thank you, Shubham. Now, a record in user acquisition. Jio claimed that its telecom network had gathered 100 million users in less than 6 months of operation. It is also said that this growth faster than even what WhatsApp and Facebook had recorded. Now, my friend Jessica will explain.
Thank you, Chanpreet. Coming to the point, we have seen an enormous growth in the subscription group of Jio. People with dual SIM cell phones have actually opted Jio as their secondary number because of its offerings only, which were once the most unique of the rest. So we see that number grow year over year. Secondly, there are several customer satisfaction indices on which it has focused a lot over the past years, and that has resulted in a great revenue appreciation for the company. Along with the telecom services, broadband internet is another territory where they have made massive inroads and have taken the internet availability to the next level. Over to Divyansh.
Thank you, Jessica. So we have also came up with the evidence of growth that the demand analysis and strategy implemented was a real success for Reliance Industries. As we can see, the revenue and profit has increased year on year for consecutive 5 years. Next part, over to Hetvi.
Thank you, Divyang. Hereby, we are conclude our company. Reliance company has growth exponentially after the launch of Jio Platform Limited. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Have a great day.